Hey, I'm back with another snow update. Still snowed in. My back door, my daughter says it looks like a slide opposed to steps, but yep, day 2 and the school's called. The kids will be at home again tomorrow. Another AMI day. I'm going to attempt to go down these stairs deemed as a slide. Maybe not. Maybe I'm not. So I attempted to go down the slide steps. I did pretty good actually until I got to the bottom. And that didn't go too well, but I'm standing in the snow and it is coming to like well over my feet. Yeah, it's pretty deep. It's cold out here too. The streets are trying to be cleared, but there's still very much that needs to be done. So stay inside, stay safe, stay warm.